Hello my friends, this is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. I'm so excited to be here today to pick a winner of my Tassel. So I had lots of entries, so I'm using the YouTube random comment picker. I can't talk today. Anyway, I hope everyone's having a great day. It's Saturday. I'm going to hopefully get this published today, so I won't make this too long, but I just want to say I'm having a great day and I hope you are too. I wore my pink sneakers, so I started the day out right. It just puts you in a good mood, doesn't it, when you wear colorful sneakers? Anyway, let's get this done. So, let's see. I have put the URL in right there. Next, I filtered out duplicate users. Then I'm going to get YouTube comments. So let's click that. See what we have. 37. Okay. Hope that's right. Seems like there was more than that, but whatever. YouTube, if this is wrong, I'll check on you and do it over. Okay, start right here. It shouldn't pick me, but if it does, I will. No, be by Mimi with Love. It didn't pick me. Yay, it picked by Mimi with Love. Awesome. So she's a regular commenter on my channel, and she always puts, I love all the comments, but let's see what she said. Hi Sherry, your tassel is absolutely lovely. I really like the super, what does that say? Hero material. Congrats on reaching 3,000. I'm almost there. And just amazing. Thank you for sharing, and have a blessed and crafty week. Hugs from Virginia. All right, so by Mimi with Love. I do not think I have your address, so just email me. My email is below all of my videos. If you will email me your address, I will get this into the mail to you right away. So thanks to everyone who entered. I commented and replied to everybody because I cannot not reply. You know how, sometimes you're afraid to reply on a giveaway because you're afraid you're going to pick yourself, right? But I just said, I don't care. I'm going to do it anyway. So I'll see you in my next crafty video. And thanks, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Happy crafting.